How to make money online selling ebooks. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how you can make money online selling ebooks. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make 4,730,000 naira every single day selling ebooks online. So before I dive into the video, I would like to show you guys some proof to tell you the person you're about to learn from is someone who practice what he teaches. So right now I'll be heading over to my phone screen right now. I'll be switching over to my phone screen right now to show you guys some proof. So guys, I just logged into my dashboard right now. I just logged into the platform I used to sell my books on, because right now if I come over to the sales page right now, because right now if I come over to the sales page, I got 8 sales, because right now I just made this sales today, and because right now this is 4,772 naira. This is 4,772 naira right now, because right now I got 8 sales, and because right now these are the customers who bought my book right now. So I'm going to be reloading the screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshot or some fabricated words. So let me reload the screen right now, and it's going to reload. So because right now it is done reloading, because right now it is done reloading and the money is still intact. So this is not some screenshot or some whatever to tell you this is real money, this is legit, this is real cool money, because right now I still got 8 sales. So I'm going to reload the screen once again. I'm going to be reloading the screen once again to tell you this is not some screenshot or some fabricated word, because right now the money is still intact. So right now in this video I'll be showing you how you can make this amount of money every single day selling ebooks online. So in this video we'll be discussing the step you need to follow in order to create and sell ebooks successfully. So right now all you need right now is to stick with me to this video, watch this video to the end if you know you want to start making this kind of amount of money for yourself. So right now, first step you need to take in order to start publishing ebooks is to choose a niche. So you need to choose a niche you want to start publishing ebooks about. So you need to choose a niche you want to start publishing ebooks about. For example, you could publish ebooks about make money online niche. You could publish books about make money online niche. You could publish books about fitness. If you know how to teach if you know how to write books about fitness, you could teach people how to lose weight. If you could teach people how to lose weight, you could write books about that's going to teach people how to lose weight. You could also write books about children's book, teaching children how to read and write. You could also write books about how children could learn how to read English. So you could write books you are knowledgeable about. So you need to be able to write books you are knowledgeable about. So in case you do not know how to write books, in case you do not know how to write this book, I got you covered, because in this video I will be showing you guys a secret tool that's going to help you write the book. I'll be showing you guys a secret tool you could use to write this book. All you need right now is to watch this video to the end if you want to know the secret tools you could use to write this ebook. So right now, once you are done choosing a niche, the next thing you need to do is to choose a platform you want to start selling ebooks on. So there are various platforms you could sell your ebooks on. So some popular platforms are paystack.com, seller.com, flutterwave.com, and a bunch of others. So for those of you who know what paystack.com is, so paystack.com is a gateway platform where you could receive payment from international clients worldwide. So all these platforms are going to allow you receive payment from international clients. So you could either sell your book internationally, so you could sell your book at anywhere. They're going to let you receive your payment in US dollars, in pounds, and all. So right now I will be walking you through how to get these platforms. Right now the example we'll be using, the platform we'll be using to sell our ebooks is going to be seller.co. So all you need right now is to go to your Google to your Chrome browser right now and type in seller.com. So I'll be walking you through how you could create an account on seller.com. Just type in seller.co. So if you try to seller.co, it's going to take you to the website. Right now all you need right now is to create an account, because right now the best way to sell digital product online, make more sales by selling digital product online. So you can usually sell ebook courses. So there are a lot of things you could sell on seller.co, because right now the best thing I love about this platform is you could receive your money in any kind of currency. You could receive your money in USD, in naira, in pounds, there, and a lot of currency right now. So you can usually scroll down right now to see how the platform looks like. So this platform is going to allow you sell your book. So this platform is going to allow you sell your books. And by the way, you can accept payments in PayPal, in Visa card, in Vi, Master, Stripe, and a lot of payment options that are available on seller.co. All you need right now is to create an account on seller.co right now. Just click on this corner right here to create an account. So once you click on that, so you'll be asked to create an account. Just click on this start selling. So once you click on this start selling, it's going to ask you to put in your username, your full name, your email address, and it's as simple as that. Just click on it right now. But I already have an account right now. It's going to be logging into my account. So right now I'll be signing out of my account right now to teach you guys on how to create an account on seller.co. So guys, once you click on the start selling, it's going to ask you to put in your username. So you could either put in your username. Let me quickly fill out the username right now, Ola Ozu. So email address, let me put in my email address right now on this platform. They're putting your full name, that is Ola Ozu. So you're just putting your full name and then putting a password. So once you are done putting in a password, you will be able to create an account. Just click on the create account right now. And by the way, you could create an account for free. You could create this account for free right now. So you could create this account for free. Let me quickly put in the password and I'm going to get right back to you guys. So guys, I'm just done putting in my password right now. So once all you need right now is to click on the create account. So once you click on the create account, Seller is going to send you an email into your Gmail account. It's going to send you an email to your Gmail account. So you'll be able to be asked to verify your email. So once you are done verifying your email, you will be logged into your dashboard. So let me quickly show you how Seller dashboard looks like. So guys, once you are done creating your account, these are your Seller account is going to look like. So you'll be asked to put in your bank account. So this is where you can put in your bank account. And so what this means is that once someone make a purchase for your ebook, they're going to send you the money into the bank account you provided. And by the way, I want you to keep this in mind. So once someone purchases your ebook, your money is going to be sent the next day. So once seller receives the money, your money is going to credit into your account the next day. So seller is going to credit your account after 24 hours. So all you need right now is to put in your bank account. So once you done putting in your bank account, then you could click on add product. So this is where you're going to start selling your ebooks. Just click on the add product right here. So it's going to load up. Or okay, it's telling us to put in our account number. So let me quickly do that right now, and I'm going to get back to you guys. So guys, I just did that right now, and it's already logged in into my account. So right now, the next step you need is to start to create your ebook. So you don't have to create your ebooks on seller.com. Just click on this arrow right here. Just click on the arrow right here, and you'll be able to create your ebook. So this is where you're going to add product. You can right here, there are various options right here. Just click on this product right now, and you'll be able to add product. You'll be able to add your ebooks. Just click on add product right now, and you'll be able to add your ebook. So right now, there are different kind of categories on seller.com. You could sell physical products, you could sell digital products, you could sell tickets, subscription, and services. So seller also provide you with some paid plan. So the paid plan is if you want to hold a course. If you know you want to hold a course right now, you can hold a course on seller.co. So seller is going to charge you for that. If you know you want to hold a course, so it's going to charge you for that. But right now, that's not what we're really interested in. So what we're interested in is creating an account, creating an ebook on seller.com. So all you need right now, we're going for the digital product right now. Just click on next. So you'll be able to hold your digital product. It's going to load up a bit. So this is where you're going to be adding your image, your product image, that's your ebook cover. So you need to be able to create your ebook cover. So the tool I used to use to create my ebook cover is canva.com. I used to use canva.com to create my ebook cover. All you need right now is to go over to canva.com. So go over to the canva.com. Just go on Google and type in canva.com. Go over to Google and type in canva.com. Let me open a new tab for that. Okay, let me open a new tab for that. Just type in canva.com. Canva is spelled C-A-N-V-A. So it's called canva.com because right now, just click on canva.com. It's going to take you to the website right now. So canva.com is just a graphic design website where you could build graphic design. You could either build a cover, you could build your ebook cover. So there are a lot of things you could do with canva.com. Just a graphic design platform. And by the way, if you do not know how to use canva.com, I would advise you check out other YouTube videos that's going to be teaching you on how to use canva.com to create ebook cover. So right now I'll be logging into my account right now. So you need to create an account for yourself in order to use canva.com. And by the way, canva.com is free. So I'll be logging into my account right now to show you guys how canva.com is. Let me quickly log into my account. Let's just wait for you to load. It's loading. Let's just wait for you to load. It's loading. Yeah, so I'm already in my account right now. My connection is slow. My internet connection is slow due to bad network in Nigeria. So that's just how it is right here in Nigeria. So we need to deal with it. So let's just wait for it to load. Be patient for it to load. So once it's okay, I think it's already coming up. So once you're on canva.com, in order to create a cover on canva.com, you need to click on this blue arrow right here. Click on the blue arrow right here. So this way you could create a cover. You could create a cover on canva.com. Just click on this blue arrow. So when you click on the plus arrow right here, it's going to, and by the way, in order to create an ebook template, an ebook cover on seller.com, it must be 300 by 300 pixels. Just click on the size. It must be 300 by 300 pixels. Just click on 300 by 300 pixels. So what this means that the book must not be its height. The height of the book must not be not be more than 300 pixels. So the height and the width must not be less than 300 pixels. So once you click on 300 pixels, you'll be able to create an ebook cover for your book on seller. So it's going to load up. Let's just wait for it to load. And by the way, like I said, if you do not know how to use Canva to design to do your design, I would advise you check other YouTube videos that's going to be teaching you on how to use Canva to create a design for yourself. So right now I'm going to just pick a random template right here. So I'm going to pick a random template. Let me just search for courses. Let me search for courses right here. Okay, courses. So let's just click on courses and it's going to load up. So let's just assume we'll be using this as our ebook cover. So let's just assume we'll be using this as our ebook cover. So let me show you how this is going to look like. So you could either change this text right here. You could change this text right here. Let me do that for you guys to see. You could change this text right here. Okay. So let's just say how to make money. So you could either just drag and drop. So that's why I love Canva. You could literally it's simple to use. Canva is simple to use. Just drag and drop and you're okay. Just drag and drop and you're okay. So let me delete this. So I won't be spending much time on the designing right now. So I'll be downloading this ebook. I'll be downloading the cover right now. I'll be downloading the cover right now. So once you're done creating your cover, this is how your cover is going to look like. Just download it. So just download it. It's going to download. Let's just wait for it to download. Just click on the download option right here. So it's going to download. let's just wait for it. My internet connection is slow, just bear with me, please. Okay, just download. So it's going to download right now. So once it's done downloading, all you need to go over to your Solar Store and upload the image you just download. So upload the image you just downloaded on Solar Store right now. So I'll be going over to my Solar Store right now. Okay, this is my Solar Store. Just click on, okay, it's going to load. And yeah, it's downloading, right? So just click on the drag and drop. So we'll be selecting the image we just downloaded right now. So this is the image we just downloaded, so that is the cover of our ebook. So you are going to see how this ebook looks like once we already publish it on seller. So you could this is where you're going to put in the product name. This is where you're going to put in the product name. So let's just say make money online book. Okay, make money online by selling ebooks online. So this is where you're going to put in your price. So I'll be selling this ebook for 1,000 naira. So you could either leave this option blank, this USD price. So it's going to generate the price in USD. So that's what I like. That's what I love about seller. It's going to generate the price in USD and other different currency right now. So okay, let's just scroll down. All you need is to scroll down. This is where you're going to add in your. So this is where you are going to be add in your description. Just add in your description right here. You'll be able to add in your description. And also this shows strike out original price. What this means is maybe if you are giving someone a discount, so maybe let's just say the normal price for the book is 2,000 naira and you're just selling it for 1,000 naira. So that's just what it means. Yeah, so that's just what this show strike out original price is all about. So once you are done with that, so this is where you're going to write your book description. So let me quickly write a book description right now. So let's just say this book is all about how you could make money online. So just write in the book description, and once you're done, you need to select the category the book belongs to. So you need to select the category. So this book belongs to business. Okay, it belongs to wealth and finance. The subcategory is, let's just say, personal finance. So after you're done with that, this is where you're going to give buyers access to the file. So this is where you're going to upload the book. The book may be in PFD, the book may be in PDF file, it may be in Google Docs file. So you could, this is where you're going to put in the files. Right now you need to make sure your file is ready. So you need to make sure your file is ready. So once you're done, just click on create product. So and then you'll be able to create product. You'll be able to create product on seller.co. Sorry. So this is going to be your book link. So this is where you could share this book. So this is the link you're going to send people in order to tell them to go buy your book. So let me preview it. Let me see how it looks like. So it's going to load up. So you can this is how the book look like. So this is how the book look like. So this is what I'm talking about the strike out original price. Because right now it says it's giving them a discount of 2,000. The normal book price is 2,000, but it's giving them a discount of 1,000. So this is where they could pay for the book. So once you could send this link to anybody who is interested in buying the book. So the person is going to click on the buy option button. So once the person click on the buy option button, the person will be able to make purchase for your book right here. So that is just how everything about seller.co. So right now it's time to market your book right now. So in order to get traffic for your book right now, we are going to be using social media platforms. So right now you can market your book through social media platforms. So you could either use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using Facebook as our marketing strategy. So we'll be using Facebook. All you need is to click on Facebook, go create an account on Facebook if you haven't created an account. We are going to be getting people. This is why we're going to be getting traffic. So you could either try to do paid advertisements if you know you have the money to run ads, if you know you have the money to do Facebook ads, but if you do not have the money to do Facebook ads, I still got you covered. So right now, in order to market your book, so you need to target specific group. So you need to target specific group of your product. So if your product is all about making money online, you need to target group that is all about making money online. So if it's about fitness, you need to search for fitness group. So anything your book is all about, just go over to Facebook right now and search for the group. So right now I'll be clicking on make money online group. So it's right here, make money. Okay, make money online. So once you click on make money online, because I'm selling a make money online book, I'll just go to the group. So this is how we're going to join a bunch of groups. Just join the group. So once you join the group, you could start making posts that, okay, because for example, you could say, okay, if you want to learn how to make money online, I got a book that could teach you that. So you could either do this and post it. So once you post it, your post is going to get a lot of eyeballs. Some people are going to reply you for those looking to make money. So you need to now send the link of your seller store to them. So once you send the link of your seller store to them and they make purchase, they're going to you're going to start making money. So that was how I was able to make 4,773 naira you saw earlier. So right now the second option you could use to market your book right now is by messaging these people in the group. So you could just go to the members, you could just go to see all members, then you could message them one after the other. So you could message them one after the other. So you could message them one after the other and try to see people who are interested in making money. So just message them, just say, hey, just you need to make sure you make friends with them before you start selling with them. So you need to make sure you make friends with them before you start selling to them, because if you just start selling to them directly like that, they are not going to buy from you. So if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome video like this. So you need to start making friends with them before you could start selling to them. So you need to make friends with them. So once you already make friends with them, then you can start selling the book to them. So like I said I'm going to be teaching you how you could write this ebook. So the video is going to be popping up on your screen right now. All you need right now is to go watch the video right now, and I'm going to see you guys in the video. I love you guys.